Welcome to a new video on AlHuTV. Today, provided to me by the company MIWEBA, we have the MSpa Tribeca. First, I quickly set it up outside. It's a cool piece of equipment when you take a look at it like this. Setting it up is a breeze. I'll show you a quick clip of that. Well, and in just a few minutes, no, actually, it does take a little while. To be honest, you have to admit that. It took me about an hour, then the whole thing was set up. An hour, that's nothing because most of it is a complete plugin system. You really don't need any help here. You can set it up completely on your own. And as I said, in an hour, it's all done. And then you have a hot tub here at a great price, just about €1,000 for a hot tub. Where else can you find something like this? And something of such high quality too. Maybe some of you still remember those inflatable hot tubs. There's really no comparison anymore to this so-called MSpa Tribeca that we have here. And I can also show you mine if you like. Of course, that one costs a lot more money. And whether this one here is worth it, you'll see in my video. Yeah, why am I comparing it to my hot tub? Because we just need to look at the whole thing realistically. On one hand, we have a hot tub that costs several €1,000s, but let's stick with the MSpa, with the Tribeca, okay? So what's the big advantage here? We have an absolutely manageable price that's affordable for everyone, but you also get a lot for your money. That really has to be said. I've got space for 6 people here, yes, but it's perfect for 4 people. But 6 people can fit in as well, yes. And that's really what makes this hot tub stand out, the extra space you get. There are no lounges in here. Sure, lounges are nice, you really have to say that, but if I want to sit here with 4 people, then I can sit here really comfortably. Yes, with a glass of wine, and if needed, there's even space for 6 people. And with external dimensions of 160 by 160 centimeters, it's really absolutely sufficient. The seat depth of 65 centimeters here in these dimensions as well. So that's absolutely sufficient. Here, the internal dimensions for the people would be 140 by 140 centimeters basically. And even so, it still holds 850 liters in here, yes. That's already a lot of water above all, but it's also really awesome, especially when you can fit 4 or even 6 people in here. And you can set this up anywhere. This design, this square shape, also looks super classy. We have 120 air jets here, which really make for a lot of bathing fun. Yes, you can even adjust it with 3 levels here to control how strong you want it, yes. And if you want, yes, even on slightly cooler summer days, we can heat it up to 40 degrees here. So what's stopping you now, right? Whether I pay several thousand, just over €10,000 for a whirlpool like this, or I get myself an MSpa, this Tribeca, well, I really have to say, the choice is actually pretty easy, because I think the comfort I have here for the price is absolutely unbeatable. And if I had the choice now, I would probably have chosen this one too, I have to honestly admit, because it's just so easy. The whole thing is set up so quickly, yeah. And as I said, we have top-notch insulation here, a 6-layer insulation above all. We really have high-quality plastics here, PVC, which is used in this wood look design. All of it together, it just harmonizes perfectly. This simply reflects the quality, and above all in the end, and you'll definitely remember this, you'll recall the bathing fun you'll have here, whether it's for these autumn or summer nights that are coming up soon. You'll really get your money's worth here, whether it's with a glass of wine, sparkling wine, whatever, or just enjoying some time with your wife in any way you like. It's just absolutely relaxed and it fits in anywhere, and that's exactly what makes this MSpa Tribeca so special. Personally, I liked it a lot. It just looks absolutely high quality, especially thanks to the excellent filtration system we have on the outside here. And also the controls. We also have a filter included here, so we can also easily put a chlorine tablet in here. My personal recommendation is, with 850 liters, I wouldn't start using bromine or anything like that here. I've already talked about this in one of my videos before. Back then, I was more into bromine, but over the years, I've come to prefer these chlorine tablets a bit more. The thing is, at some point, you just can't get the cleaning done properly with bromine. Probably even less so with active oxygen. That's why I recommend using chlorine tablets here instead. Then you can relax, 1 tablet per week, and maintenance is really, well, incredibly easy. The pH value is always very important. Please always measure it, okay? That's just a little maintenance tip, yeah? And with this tip, definitely make sure to use Calcex right from the start as well. That's really important. These are things you should definitely pay attention to, and then you'll enjoy your setup for a long time. Your pump will work, your air jets will work, and everything else that goes with it. As I said, here you really get the complete package. And I have to say, knock on wood, I really wouldn't want to be without it anymore. Really a cool device, yeah, and above all, just as much bathing fun as with any other expensive device. If not even more, because personally, I think there's more space here, since nothing is in the way, no lounges are in the way, you know. Everything simply speaks for wonderful evenings. And now, above all, here comes the highlight, and I just want to mention this again. The World Cup is coming, and you know that most of the World Cup games will take place here, mainly at night in the evening hours. Yes, and for those who feel like it, maybe they'll set up a projector, a small screen, or just project onto the house wall, sit down and watch sometime in the evening hours, comfortably in the pool with a bottle of beer perhaps, or with a glass of wine or a cola, whatever you prefer, just watching the football match. Yes, and leaning back at 40 degrees, that's a wonderful way to kick off the World Cup, of course. That's also possible, and I don't want to keep that from you. You should definitely consider investing today so you can really enjoy it when the World Cup starts soon. Really, really, really recommend it. You can find all the information about it below in the description, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. You can also purchase it directly from MIWEBA, and you definitely can't go wrong with MIWEBA as a company. Excellent customer service and more, that has to be mentioned as well. A great company, yes, and they're the ones providing it for you. So what could be better? That's it from my side, and I hope I was able to give you a bit of an impression. Yes, I don't want to talk it down, but I also don't want to hype it up. This is honestly a realistic impression from me, which I'm allowed to express freely here, and so really a cool thing. I'm definitely already looking forward to the World Cup, and above all, I want to enjoy the whole thing in an MSpa Tribeca. That's it from my side, and see you next time on AlHuTV.